Alright, so here we have my kids' reaction to the Nature Box. Here is the Nature Box. And I have 5 different products for them to try. We have Junior as taste tester number 1. Say hi, Junior.
Hi, Junior.
We have Malia as taste tester number 2.
Hi.
Say hi, Leah.
Hi, Leah. Mommy, who's it?
We have Imani as taste tester number 3. Say hi, Imani.
Hi.
Kassan, taste tester number 4. Say hi, Kassan. And Corbin, we have Corbin over here. He's just walking around. Say hi, Corbin.
Hi.
Say I'm number 5.
Hi.
Okay, so if you don't know what the Nature Box is, it is a monthly subscription service for healthy snacks. Basically, every month you get a box of healthy snacks, and you can choose between 3 different packages. Where you get the first package, you get five snacks. The second package, you get about 10 snacks, and I forget how much you get for the third one. But I'll put the prices of each package and each package down below in the description box. We'll get started. The kids are going to taste test some stuff. We're going to see how they like it. I've seen a lot of unboxing videos of the Nature Box, but I haven't come across an unboxing of the Nature Box where they had kids testing. I thought this would be perfect for the kids to test to see how they like these snacks, since they are healthy snacks. So let's try them out. Okay, the first one they're going to be trying is this one. This is the roasted kettle kernels. And this is what the package looks like.
Don't do that to me. They look like nuts. Nuts?
It's not nuts.
No. Seeds. Seeds.
Okay, so I'm going to give one to each person, and don't eat it until I tell you how to eat it, because I want to get all your reactions. So here's one for Junior. Hold it in your hand. Don't eat it yet.
What is it?
Malia, hold it in your hand.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it yet. Y'all all eat it at the same time, so just hold on. Monty. Alright, everyone eat it. Let me know how you like it.
Good.
Chew it up, Martin. Put it in your mouth, Lee.
It's good, Mommy.
Junior, taste it.
Like good.
You don't like it? Alright, so Junior doesn't like it. Leah, how you like it?
Good. Good.
Put it in your mouth. You haven't even chewed it up.
Oh, that's good. I want it in that one.
Leah, how you like it?
Also more skull.
Monty.
Good.
Hassan, how you like it? How does it taste? Alright.
He said okay.
This is what it looks like. It's basically an actual kettle corn. And it's it basically has the honey coated flavoring on it. I like it.
Me too.
I think it tastes really good.
Mom, there's another one.
So right now we got 3 out of 4 votes for the roasted kettle kernels. Alright,
Another one.
let's try the next one now.
Mom, is it popcorn? No, it's not popcorn. How can it be popcorn if it's not healthy? I think it's
Next
popcorn.
one is the smoky pumpkin seeds. Tamari flavored pumpkin seeds. This is what these look like. I don't know if you can see that real. Pumpkin seeds. So I'm going to hand some out. Here's some for you. And for you.
I don't like it.
Gia, you haven't even tasted it. Just wait. Don't eat it yet. Wait. I said wait. Wait. Wait.
I'm not going to eat
Yeah.
it. I'll smell it.
Alright, now everybody taste it.
I don't like it.
Gia, put it in your mouth and taste it.
I don't like it.
As you can see,
It's so good.
he doesn't want to try it.
Mom.
How you like it?
Good.
Son, try it. Put it in your mouth.
It's so good. I want to taste another one, please. Oh, man. I'll take one now.
Here, put it in your mouth.
It tastes like pumpkin.
Put one in your mouth. You don't got to put them all. Just put one in your mouth.
Yeah, we don't want it.
Yes.
Good. He likes it.
How you like it?
Good.
You like it? It's good, huh? Didn't even want to try it. And he likes it.
I want to try.
So we got 4 out of 4 votes for that. I'm missing one child, so that's why I get mixed up. Next, we're trying the Country Ranch peas, ranch flavored peas, and these are actual peas. You know, peas that you cook,
Let me see.
and they are covered in ranch flavor.
Ranch. Ranch. I don't like ranch.
You say you don't like everything.
I don't like ranch either.
All right, again, we're gonna give one to eat everybody. You wait to try it until I give everybody one.
It's so big.
Don't put it in your mouth yet, Junior.
I mean, it's so big.
I know.
Mommy, is it hot at the bottom? Oh, it smells. Leah ate it. She almost eat it.
All right, everybody, put it in your mouth now.
Yeah, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Mm-mm.
Taste it, Pooh.
I don't want it.
I like it. Put it in your mouth.
Here.
I don't want it. I like a mom one. I like a mom one.
Try it some.
I'll go for it, Mommy.
Try it some.
I don't want it.
Eat it. You're just saying it now because your sister did it. Eat it.
Mommy, I will go for it. He just licked it.
You don't like it?
I will do it.
You do it.
Nasty. Me, Malia, inside. She ate it.
Come on, mommy. Come on, mommy.
How is it, Junior? You like that one?
I know.
So that vote, we got 1 out of 4 votes for the Country Ranch peas. Only Junior liked it. Well, I liked it too, but we're not counting my vote. The honeycomb sunflower kernels. All right, try it.
Mommy. Good. Good. Mommy. Good. They were just. They were.
You like it, Monty? Sit down.
They were one. They all have one.
Yeah, just taste it.
I take that soup. You take that soup.
You have to try everything, Monty.
Like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Leah, how'd you like it? Good. Monty?
Good.
Good. Mama.
Hassan, how you like it?
I do.
It's good? Okay, so we got 4 out of 4 votes for the
But you saw this.
honeycomb sunflower kernels.
I got one.
All right, we got one more snack to try, and that'll be it. Last snack is the sunshine chips, and these are mixed vegetable chips with sea salt.
I like it.
You like chips? Let's see if you like these chips.
You
These what these look like. I forgot to show you the other ones, but you know what sunflower seeds look like. All right, so these are basically actual vegetable chips, and like, say for instance, this one looks like a string bean.
Please.
So I'll give them. It's all different types of
I want chip.
vegetables. Don't eat it yet. So I'll give them each one to try. All right, everyone, try your vegetable chip and let me know how you like it.
Good, honey.
How's the song?
Good. It tastes like baby food.
He's like baby food.
Baby food, baby food.
Mama, I like it, Mommy.
You like it?
Hey, you should try this one. It tastes like baby food.
Well, Monty, I think you got the
Touch this, mommy.
I think you got the
Mom, I want some more.
what is it called? The sweet potato. I think Monty got the sweet potato, and she said it tastes like baby food.
Mommy.
Oh, try it. It tastes like baby food.
I never got this one.
Orange one tastes like baby food.
Junior, how'd you like it?
Good.
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 Malia, how you like it?
Good. Some different ones.
Mike, how you like it?
I want to go all the way back to the end. I want a different one.
Kassan, how you like it? How'd you like that one?
Hey, this one's good. All the way back to
That one's
the end, Mommy.
Yeah?
Yeah. And all of them taste like baby food because I tried two and it tastes like baby food. Mommy, I want to
baby
pee
food.
now, Mommy.
You like those?
Yeah, I want to pee.
These seem to be Junior's favorite, huh?
Yeah, I want to pee. Mom? What?
I like them too. They're good.
I want to pee.
So, as you can see, everyone loves the sunshine chips. So if you got, hold on. If you have kids who are really into chips, my kids really love chips.
What do they take on?
They really like
Mommy got it.
these chips. These sunshine chips.
Leah.
Basically chips of vegetables. Here.
Good. Well, don't taste regular chips.
I'm really glad I bought the
Don't
bigger,
taste it
bigger
now.
package. Here, there you go.
Like, this tastes like regular chips. What do we taste it?
Tastes like regular chips. I don't think it tastes like regular. I think it tastes better than regular chips.
Well, do it taste like regular
Taste it.
Wait, look. Oh,
Good.
good too.
More good.
I
Look
want
good?
Others.
All right. So,
Okay, good.
so tell me, guys. Sit down. What do you guys think about? What do you guys think about this nature box? These healthy snacks. How do you like healthy snacks?
I like them so much. I do.
You like these healthy snacks?
Yeah.
Now, if I'm gonna ask you a question. If I gave you a bag of regular chips and these vegetable chips, which ones would you choose?
I'll choose this one. That one.
You would choose the vegetable chips?
Yeah.
All right, so as you can see, Nature Box snacks get a thumbs up for my kids. They like, for the most part, they like them. It was a couple that they didn't all agree on that they like, but for the most part, they like them, right? And the good thing about this subscription service is they don't just send you any snacks. You actually get to go online and choose from the bunch of snacks they have. They have a really big snack collection that you could choose from. You get to choose 5, or if you want more than 5, I think you paid like $3 extra for
I want
each.
to taste one.
You pay $3 extra for each bag of snacks that you get past 5. So it's a really good subscription service. Everybody say bye bye.
Bye.